Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm actually recording on my new camera and I made a mistake. So basically, I put in my microphone, but I actually totally forgot to turn it on. So you'll see my lips move a lot during the video, but there is no audio, so I'm doing a voiceover now. I'm so sorry about that, but I'll fix it in the next in my next video. Please bear with me in this one, but this is just a real quick get ready with me, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette, and I'm just starting out with a moisturized face, and I'm going straight in with my eyes first today. I'm just using my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot with my Real Techniques sponge, and then applying that all over my eyes. And then just setting that tacky base with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I prefer to have like a smooth glide on of the shadow, and that's why I feel like it's easier to blend them as well. And that's why I always set it. So then just going in with the first shade, which is really close to my skin tone. But again, I'm just kind of laying that down to kind of keep it even. And I'm doing that on both sides. I'm just using a BH Cosmetics brush in that for that one. And I've kept the brushes to a minimum in this video, simply because it's just, I want it to be effortless. So yeah, and then I'm just going in with that creased shadow, and I'll leave all the shadow names down below, so please don't forget to check that out. But yeah, I'm just using that same shadow and just creating you know, just that outer corner and that depth in the eye. So, and I wanted to keep it very springy, very fresh. You know, we're going straight into spring, so just wanted to keep it real nice and fresh and dewy and glowy. So that's what I'm doing today, and I'm just going in with like really nice bright colors and really not too much work basically. And then I'm just taking a tightly packed brush. This is just from a collection that I ordered a long time ago. And then just really building up that outer corner and my crease. So just taking my time, slowly but surely, just building the color up, building the intensity to where I want it to be. And you'll see that I'll go back in and deepen the crease as well a little bit later. And then I'm just going in with the lid color. So I wasn't sure about that color, so I decided to just apply a little bit. And then I kind of liked that effect because I didn't want something too warm. I wanted a little bit of a cooler effect. And I wasn't sure which shadow would give me that. I felt like this was probably the only cool shadow in there. I could be wrong, but at that time I just felt like with that particular eyeshadow that I had going on, like I just needed something very cool toned. That was pretty neutral, and then I'm just going in and deepening and making that crease a little bit brighter. Deepening and brighter, like, you know, hello English. I love it. But just making sure both the eyes are even. I'm also trying out a new setup, so it's been a little bit of an adjustment. But I did my base off camera, so my foundation concealer off camera, and my brows off camera as well. Now I'm going straight in with my bronzer. This is the Rimmel Good to Glow bronzer, which I've been loving a lot, and I feel like I'm not even making a dent in it. But anyways, I'm just applying that all over my face and making sure that I get that sun's, you know, that the place where the sun hits the most really well. So just especially on my nose, like I'm making sure that I get that. And then just a little bit around my jaw and double chin area. And then I'm going in with my highlighter first. So I'm using the Becca Opal highlighter, and this is again a BH Cosmetics brush in the Marble collection. Just doing the highlighter first, again on the high points of my face. I tend not to do a whole lot on my nose because I do tend to get oilier in on that area. And then I am using my Essence Matte Blush. And then I'm putting the blush on top of the highlighter. I just feel like it kind of makes it more seamless. And there's no harsh lines, but it just kind of looks like you're glowing from within. So yeah, I'm just going in with a really light hand, just making sure that it's all even. And then I'm just going to go in with my lower lash line. So just using the first two shades that we used, just applying that on my lower lash line. I want to make sure that they kind of connect in the corner. And then for eyeliner, I love using an eyeliner, like a shadow as an eyeliner, and the Riviera palette was lacking in that. So I decided to go in with my MAC in the Flesh palette, and I'm just using the darkest shade in that. And I'm using an artiste brush to create that eyeliner. And I'm just keeping it very subtle. Again, you know, we want it to be nice, bright, and open. So just keeping it really, really thin and not winging it out too much. And then I'm just going to set everything before I go in with mascara. So I'm using my Maybelline Lasting Fix spray, I want to say. I love this spray. I feel like it makes it last all day. I totally, totally love it. I did my mascara real quick, and then for my brow bone highlight, I'm going in with a very light pink blush from Neutrogena. I've had that for ages, but I wanted to keep it in the pink themed look, so I went with something that wasn't too bright, too shimmery, just very subtle. And then for my lips, I'm using two NYX lipsticks. I'll leave the shade names down below, so please check that out. And yeah, I think that completes the look, you guys. I'm just gonna blot the lips, but if you found this video helpful, if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also please do subscribe to my channel. I do have loads of content coming up. I do have a few videos that I already know that I want to put up, so please don't forget to hit subscribe, and also please don't forget to like this video. Until next time, guys, take care. I will catch you then. Bye.